Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a flavorful, smooth base. So heat 1 tablespoon olive oil and sweat 1 small chopped onion until translucent. This releases sugars. Once the onion is soft, add 2 cloves minced garlic plus 1/2 tsp smoked paprika and 1/4 tsp cumin. Let the spices bloom for 30 to 45 seconds so they become aromatic. Then pour in 1 cup unsweetened plant milk and 1/2 cup vegetable broth. Once your base is hot, make a slurry. Whisk 5 tablespoon cornstarch into 2 tablespoon cold water and add it gradually while whisking vigorously. Simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce turns glossy and thickens. Stir constantly to prevent lumps or scorching on the pan. Make sure to balance brightness and depth by stirring in 1 tsp lemon juice, 1/2 tsp prepared mustard, and 1/2 tsp salt. Then taste and adjust seasoning to reach the nacho-like punch you want. You finish by folding in 1/4 cup finely chopped roasted red peppers or 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast to mimic cheesy umami. Stir to combine. Serve the sauce warm over chips and make sure to keep it on low heat or reheat gently. High heat breaks emulsions. If the texture becomes gritty or too thin, whisk in 1 tablespoon butter or oil and simmer 1 minute. If still lumpy, pass the sauce through a fine sieve for a silky finish. Taste. Adjust salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.